Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I have a really fun project share with you all. This is Cascade Parade. I'm calling this project Cascade Parade because of the binding system that is in this project. It's a new binding system that I'm going to share with you in just a moment, but I want to talk about the outside of this project. It is designed modeled after like an attaché case, a folio type business case, as you can see here, travel related. I use the Graphic 45 Come Away With Me paper collection, and all of the brown that you see here, or this camel color, is called Craft Text. Or it's that new material that I introduced to you all couple of months, several months ago, I can't remember, but it is made of craft text, the outside, which is a fantastic material for the outside of your albums. Completely durable. They are not going to come apart. And I show you how to work with this material in the videos for this project and in the tutorial for this project, which is available right now. There's a couple of unique things about this portfolio case right here. Not only is it a memory keeper, of course, but I wanted to make it interesting. One of the things that are kind of like a not so good thing for me are when you open up a book like this takes up a really large footprint. So what I did with these handles is I made them retractable. All right, so you can put the handles away, all right, and open your book, and then you're left with this. So it's a nice, fun, interactive element that you get in this project with these retractable handles. You can put them away, or you can pull them out whenever you want, so you can look at the book. This is also a functional pocket. What's really wonderful about this, because it is craft text, this really wonderful fabrication, this is not going to tear. All right, it's not going to tear. I was able to wrap the front of the pocket into the album so we can have one layer here, and it gives it that really nice chunky luxe look to your project, and I love that. So let's talk about the inside. This is the Cascade Parade binding on this side, and here is kind of like a folio setup. All right, so let me show you the folio setup. So here we've got we have a flap with a really nice generous sized pocket for those giant photo mats or the large number 10 tags, which are super, super popular. And then this opens up for photographs. Then I have a Cascade style assembly right here with a combination of photo mats and the large tag, as you can see, which holds an abundance of photographs. All right. Then this closes up like so, keeping this nice and tidy. That is magnetized. And then you get the inside of the memory keeping folio right here, which is beautiful. Did a little treatment here on these pockets, which looks super cute, and I just love the way that turned out. That closes up nice and tidy like so. And now for the Cascade Parade. So I call it a binding because you can flip through it just like a book. Let me move my mouse out of the way. Just like a book, as you can see here, you've got pockets, you've got all sorts of goodies here. As you can see, I even have a tag page here that's a lot of fun, and then this layout over here. Again, this is the Come Away With Me paper collection by Graphic 45. Absolutely gorgeous papers. Again, so you can flip through it just like you see here. But then what you can do with this is, here's the Cascade Parade aspect of this. It unfolds completely. As you can see here, you can hang this if you wanted to. It was just a simple cover on the wall if you wanted to, and just enjoy it this way. It's got that interaction factor that we absolutely love in our mini albums, and it's just so much fun. Can you imagine making this as a school themed project? Just a Cascade Parade in a regular mini album with the binding on the right hand side, the way a book would traditionally open. An Advent style calendar, a growth chart for school. This binding and layout is really fun. It has a multitude of functions for your everyday memory keeping needs, and it's just a fun project to create. It's really fun to create the Cascade Parade binding. A lot of fun, guys. I promise you it is not difficult at all. I walk you through the process in the tutorial, and I will link you down in the description box below so you can pick it up. This is one that you don't want to miss or not learn how to do. If you wanted to find something that was challenging to kind of beef up your crafting mojo, this is definitely a fun one, something new, something different, something for you to just spice up those projects. You can add this to any project. As you can see, this Cascade Parade. I'm going to show you where I featured it first. All right. So again, this is Cascade Parade. All right, with the retractable handles, and the binding is Cascade Parade. This is just the packaging, if you will. It's a travel type of memory keeper, and it's just a lot of fun. So I featured the binding in this particular project. All right, and you're going to see a lot more of this binding in future projects as well. So you may want to learn how to make it so you can just create it in the other projects, and it'll just be second nature to you all, like the hidden hinge binding system. All right, so let me show you where else I featured this, how versatile it is. Hang on just a second. You all know that we're working on our retrospection project. Retrospection is an interactive 12 by 12 scrapbook combining everything we love about mini albums and 12 by 12 layouts. So I've worked significantly on this project. As you can see, it's not completely done, and I don't have enough room on my desk to open this right now. So but I just want to show you that here is a Cascade Parade binding. You can do as many pockets as you want or as little pockets as you want. And as you can see, you can decorate them all, and they're absolutely gorgeous. This is Retrospection, guys. If you haven't picked up Retrospection or looked at Retrospection yet, you may want to. All right, so I've done a lot of work on this project. It's been a lot of fun, and next week I'm going to continue working on these pages here for you all. But it's gorgeous. This is all about layouts, beautiful scrapbook layouts that are interactive, all right, where you can touch and feel everything that's happening in the layout. It goes beyond the first page, which is what you typically get with a layout. If you look at over here, and then of course with mini albums, we love all of the interaction in the mini albums, as you can see here, with pockets and flaps and all of that good stuff. So I give it to you all in one book. You've got some fun pockets over here. There's even a gosh, I can't think of it. A canvas page that's coming up that's going to be featured. So here's another layout. This one is a lot of fun. So it opens up like this. So then you have so here's the layout. This is what you typically get with a layout. And then what you get with Retrospection is the interaction of the pockets, excuse me, that open up and just continue, which allow you to house all the photographs that you typically don't feature on your layout, but you want to put them somewhere and you don't want to put them in a box, right? So here's the layout, and then here is the Retrospection part of the layout, which allows you to house all of the additional photographs, all right, which is a lot of fun. Here's another one. This one is just, and here's the mini album aspect of the project. We have all the pockets, the flips and the flaps, and all of that fun stuff that we all enjoy. This one is a great one to feature here. All right, so we still have a few more pages to do. 1, 2, 3, 3 pages to do on Retrospection, and we'll be completely done with it. So guys, if you want to take advantage of Retrospection, this is also in my shop. I will link you down below as well. There's videos, and the tutorial is available for this. All right, guys, and I do have a core kit if you're interested. The core kit is the covers and the pages. You get the envelope, the giant envelope pages, these pouches. You get everything you need to make the project except for the design paper. You have to provide your own design paper. And of course, I let you know what I'm using in case you want it to look exactly like mine. You get the craft text, which makes this gorgeous cover, which will allow you to, this will not break on you, all right? You also get the hardware for the closure. We haven't designed the cover yet. And you get your magnets that you need to create all of these beautiful layouts. So I'll link you all down below. So Retrospection and Cascade Parade, make sure you check them out. You're going to want these. They're fabulous. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time,